What is up, guys? North Digital Assets coming at you with another video. We are going to cover CKB in this video. CKB is looking good. I haven't done a video on CKB in a few days. I apologize about that, but we're just going to dive into the chart right now. So, CKB, I've got a couple interesting things to point out that I think you're going to like here. Number one, the last CKB video I was talking about, I believe we were like right here on the stock RSI, and I explained that typically when you get ready to go here on the stock RSI on CKB over the last, let's say over the last couple months, when you get that momentum coming up on the stock RSI, it's ready to go. And so I was doing a video here the other day, my last video, but as you can see it come up, found a little bit of resistance, the stock RSI came down a little bit, and now look where it is. It is right here, looking like it's actually gearing up to go. So this pattern here looks to be the same as this pattern, very similar anyways, and it looks like it has some momentum and it's getting ready to move. Where's it gonna move? Where's it gonna go? Let's take a look at this. Look what I just found. So let's zoom in a little closer so we can actually get a good look here. So we have this wick down all the way down to here, this red wick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the fib down there. I'm going to pull it up here, and I'm going to set the 1 right on the top there on that green wick, right about there. Okay, so what does this tell us? Medium-term target. Short-term, maybe a little longer than short-term, short, medium-term target. What does this tell us? Well, this is where it gets interesting, guys. This tells us that we will be going to, with enough momentum especially, and if we can get some momentum back out of Bitcoin and Bitcoin can stop dragging everything down with its correction towards 53K, if we can get some momentum in the market, CKB has been strong today. Yesterday, it's been holding strong even though the market's been way down. It's been holding super strong, which is an awesome sign to see. But we are going to the 1618, and what is that? 4.4 cents. What kind of rise is that? Well, let's take a look here. We are currently sitting right here. So from where we are at right now up to the 1618, roughly 53% more, which is a massive, nice gain. Love to see it. Now, something else interesting, and this is where it gets real interesting. What if I kind of scroll out here? What happens if we look at the all-time high? You see the peak here? What happens if we look at the all-time high? Well, here it is. What happens if I just drop a line in here on the all-time high? The peak from, what is that date? That is March 31st, 2021. What do we see here? We come over and it is exact to a T to the 1618. That is where we are going to battle next. The CKB crew, the CKB army, whatever you want to call it, that is where I believe we're going to end up heading, and it's going to be beautiful going up to battle the all-time high. That is what I see next for CKB. Let's see what the market does. Let's see what's going on, but I love the look of CKB right now. I love this, how the stock RSI came up, had a little bit of resistance, came back down a little bit with the rest of the market, and now we are here. Love to see that. That's beautiful. Blue over the pink line, halfway up the blue band, getting ready to go. Let's hopefully we can get up into this kind of range above the blue band like we were. That would be nice. We can go look at the 4-hourly really quick. On the 4-hourly, what do we got here? Let's here. Let's actually remove that drawing, clear it up a little bit. 4-hourly, looks like we got a buy signal on the 25th, November 25th right here, and it's pretty clear cut. It's not, obviously not like a fake out here where the green line didn't even really cross it, and that was where the stock RSI that I was just showing you came up, rolled back, and then went, and that was probably at the same time with the stock RSI. But I do like this, how you found support here on the 55 EMA on the 4-hourly. That's nice. We got the buy signal, not financial advice, but we did get this buy signal on the 25th. And also I posted this the other day on Twitter. If I click more technicals, it is the summary the other day when I posted this. The summary was, I think that was yesterday. The summary was strong buy and the moving averages is what was buy, but we still have a strong buy on the moving averages and buy on the summary. That's nice to see. And then it kind of breaks down some of the statistics here if you want to take a look at those. Pause the video if you want to take a look at some of this. Just something interesting just to look at, you know. just anything for Confluence. And yeah, right now CKB looks good. Where's this stock RSI going to go on the 4 hourly? Are we going to slow down just a little bit right now in the short term of the next 2, 3, 4 hours? Come down a little lower and then get ready to roll and have a nice day tomorrow? Well, let's wait and see. It's possibly looking that way. What do we have down here? I wish I had more room on my screen here. I can tell you that much. Down here, it looks like there's some sort of a trend line of support that we've been adhering to since November 17th, and it looks like we bounced right off of it right there. Just trying to find anything else, any other little indicators that we might have to see what kind of momentum we might have next to the upside. So CKB is looking good, looking strong. I also see, and this is pretty clear as day, you can see this giant W double bottom. Very beautiful. What would the W double bottom, what would that tell you? Well, this is going to be a little bit rough here, but we can still measure this out anyways. Let's move this here and extrapolate this out. So possibly in the shorter time frame, that's 3.9 cents up towards 4 cents anyways. But let's see what happens if we go towards that 4.4 cents all-time high on the Fibonacci extension 1618 off that small pattern that I just fibbed. So everything's looking good with CKB, and it's looking, yeah, it's looking nice. If you are interested in any gaming coins, I posted a video earlier today on Gold Fever. That thing's been going crazy. I bought it under $6 yesterday at Thanksgiving. It's been over $9 today already. It's very early on a game with good graphics. It's an RPG game. You in-game rewards. You walk around in a world. It's kind of like a video game, like Uncharted or just a game like that. You're searching for gold. There's also gold thieves, but the graphics look good. The game looks cool. All kinds of stuff. If you're interested in other gaming coins, you have Vulcan Forged PYR at $35 right now as we speak. Even though earlier today it was just at $48, it's gaining some momentum. A lot of video games around Vulcan Forged PYR. And if I go to Gold Fever really quick, let's go take a look at that. This is a game that, because of the market cap is so small right now compared to other games like Illuvium, and then you have the metaverse coins like Sandbox, but just compared to some of the other games like Star Atlas and Illuvium, this Gold Fever is way smaller on the market cap. It is up 45% though in the last day, but yeah, this is one that could definitely just run volume at 20 million in the last 24 hours. I got Gold Fever on Gate.io, that exchange, and then I got the Vulcan Forge on the KuCoin exchange. I got that there. This Gold Fever has been yeah, going crazy, and it might continue its path. Let's see. It's very new. It's just getting listed on exchanges just the other day. It just came onto CoinMarketCap on November 20th. Just giving you guys an extra little coin that some coins you guys might want to check out. If Gold Fever later is at $30, $40, $50, I don't know where it's going. I'm just kind of speculating, but you know, if it's massive in the future, like Star Atlas, and grows like Illuvium, this thing is just going to be insane gains. So just kind of sharing what I'm seeing with you guys, my CKB family, CKB crew. And yeah, CKB is looking good. I pointed out everything that I could right now. There's not that much else to say besides we're just going to wait with patience, wait and see what happens. I love the spacing between the 20 and the 55 here on the daily. It's looking like this 20 might be able to get some curvature going up depending on what happens in the market. But if we start heading towards that 4.4 cents, this 20 EMA is gonna start curving much more vertical. I could see that happening, and yeah, it's nice continuation through here, and CKB looks good. So let's just wait and see and be patient. Yeah, there's always, you know, come back for support, but then we get ready to move on that next impulsive move. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you like this one. Smash the like button, click subscribe if you haven't already, and that's gonna be it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one. See ya.